Well, it says hello this Saturday morning, Martin the tools, the hands of a worker, by the way. Right, I'm going to show you what we're doing. We're doing along a curb line here, right? And see how there's a curve in it, right? And all the way down, right? So you like to follow the curb line. So what we do is, well, this is what I do. Other folk will say otherwise, but this is the way I do it. We've done all the holes, right? We've marked them there at 2 feet. We try and get them as near as 2 feet we can with this, because bear in mind this is only a 39-inch high fence, right? And we miss that post out, we go back to them once they've set, and then we put the rail in and put the post in, and it gives you the curve, right? But here what we do, here's a wee trick here that I do. And I go to these wee lengths, right? Right, we're sitting that one there and sitting that one there. See that there? That comes out. We sit that in there like that. That holds that in level. See that there? Right. Right, and we'll mark the post, and that's there, that's on the face of the curve. You see with me, right? And that's a bucket, right? A quick second in there, that's a bucket. That's a 25 litre bucket, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong with that, folks, right? And then what we do is, see that there, how that there? And what we do is, we nuggle it in, right? So see that there, so it's need to go that way a wee bit. So then, hit it ever, and just hit it ever. Just kid on the post has been bad and you're hitting it. Don't be a bad post. Sit where you're meant to sit. Right? Go near now. There you go. That's it. Good post. Right? And then you've that there. So it's not their level there. So you go that way there. And that's that post ready to get poured in. Right? And we'll pour that in there. You see some of the rubbles there. Aye. It's cold. Right? And there we just put some of that in there. And then all we do is that there you go, and there we go. We pour that in. I mean, that's a 25 litre tub, right? And then we let you down in there like that. We get the spade, right? Right, we get a modified spade, and we put that in there like that. Then we'll empty that in there. Then you check and see. That's perfect, right? See how that there is? It's no far off that, is it, folks? Would you go for that? I'll go for that. Right? And then you go this way here, and then that way there, right? And then that's you there. And that's it. And you just hold it there a tickle, put that in there like that, and that's it. Now see once that sets, right? Now this bit's okay. See how it sits in there like that, sits there like that. Once we put it in there, do the same process with there, but once they're set, patience is a virtue. We'll go back, do that there, postal bin. Then that way it all goes with the contour of the ground. All goes. Fancy words this morning, isn't it? Fancy words this morning. Well, it might be. Hands of a worker. Right. So there you go. And then see once the fence is done, the posts are set. All we do is we lift that out, and every post is equidistant to that gap. So when we put that board that fence, it'll go exact to run with the curb line, and plus the fact it'll run with the ground level too, because there's a gradient here, right? Now, what more could you want? You know what I'm going to say to you? I'll see you all later. I'm going to revisit this afternoon. I'm going to save here, but you'll see you later on. See you all later, folks.